Good morning, students. Today we will learn that how to draw an isometric view from the given orthographic front view and orthographic top view. First of all, we will understand the dimensions. This is the this is the orthographic front view and this is the orthographic top view. You can see the length is given 80. If this is 80, this length will be also 80 from 1 to 2, right? And length of this line is given 30, 30 on this side, total is 50. So how much you mean here? It is 20. So 30 plus 20, it is 20, right? This is 20, this is also 20. If you calculate 20, 10, 30, 40, 80, my this is total 80, 80 minus 40, how much you mean? 40. So 20 on this side and 20 on this side, right? This is 20 here, this is also 20, this is also 20, right? Now we will draw the isometric front view. In isometric front view, we know that all the lengths like this horizontal line are drawn at angle. So first of all, draw them at an angle. Before starting the drawing, these five tools must be on: dynamic input, ortho mode, isometric, drafting, right, and this object snap tracking and line wedges. These five tools must be on. So now select the line command, click anywhere on the screen and show direction. I want to draw a line in this direction, right, horizontally on the right hand side. So how we can change the direction? You can press F5. Press F5 to change the direction. Right, press F5 to change the direction. If you have a keyboard, if you do not have a keyboard, then you can select from here isoplane top. Now I am able to draw the line in this direction. Right. So this length is 80. So type 80, enter. 80, enter. Right. And then vertical line. For vertical line, again you have to change the direction. Vertical, this is 50. We know this is 50. Right. In this direction, this is 80. This should be inclined, and then vertical downward, this should be 50. Right. So decrease the thickness of all the lines. Now one by one we can draw this. We know that this line is visible part of the isometric front view, right? Then 30 on this side and 30 on this side, 30 on this side, right? This line is 20, 20 cut here and joined here. Similarly, from this end distance is 20, which is joined here with this lateral line. So in this direction 20 and join it here, and delete this line. This line of length 20, delete it. Similarly, from this on this side it is 10, horizontally 10, downward 20, on this side 20, upward 20, on this side 10, and join it here. So this is your isometric front view, right? And if you check this, orthographic top view is given here. How to convert this in isometric top view? Join in all the corners here. With all the corners, the length of these lines are 50. Length of these lines are 50. So select line command, from all the corners draw these lateral lines. Selecting this isoplane top, because you're not drawing the top view. Isometric top with length is 50. 50, enter. All lines should be drawn in this direction only. In this direction 50, 50, 50. Length of all the line is 50. 50, 50, 50 on this side, 50, 'Yes, now join them. Join these lines here. Join these endpoint of the lines from here downward line of length 20 from this end. Downward line of 20. Similarly, from this end, downward line of length 20. Well, not from this. This will be from this line 20 downward, 20 and horizontally 20. Right. Now change the type of line. The lines which are not visible. This line is not visible, so change the type of this line. Make them hidden line. Click on bilayer. Click on other. Load, LOAD load. Then go to hidden two line. Search hidden two line. This one, hidden 2, hidden 0.5x. This line. Click on OK. OK. Now select this line. Make them hidden 2. You can see it become a hidden line. Similarly, these lines which are on the back side, they should be hidden, which are not visible but part of the figure, right? This line should be hidden. Yes, you can search any other line which is hidden, so make them hidden. Right, you can also draw a line from this end of length 80, right, a vertical line of length 50. Vertical line of length 50. Sorry, 30. Vertical line of length 30. First of all, horizontal line of length 80, then vertical line of length 30. And this line should be hidden. Make it hidden too. Hence your figure is complete. Now increase or decrease the thickness of the lines which are clearly visible. Object lines. These are called object lines which are part of the figure and part of the drawing. Make them 0.80. The thickness should be 0.80. Make them 0.80. Change the thickness 0.80. These line left, select them. .80. Now show the Now show the dimensions. This should be 30. This should be 50. This should be 20. Even this should be 10. This should be 20. Yes, all the dimensions are visible, and thickness of these lines should be 0.05. They should be thin lines. Dimensions are clearly visible. Make them 0.05. Right. So this is your figure. This is the method to draw the isometric view of the given orthographic front view and top view. Right. Thank you very much.